Welcome to our guide on how to play Counter-Strike 2 on a MacBook. Let's start by introducing the game and its system requirements. Before diving in, ensure your Mac meets the following system requirements: a compatible macOS version, at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, and a decent graphics card. Next, we need to set up Steam. If you don't have it installed, head to the Steam website, download the app, and follow the installation instructions. Once Steam is ready, search for Counter-Strike 2 in the store. Click Install and wait for your game to download. To enhance your gaming experience on the Mac, adjust the settings. Lower graphics settings for better performance if needed. Encountering issues? Let's troubleshoot. Common problems can often be solved by checking for updates or restarting Steam. For a better gameplay experience, consider using an external mouse and keyboard. They can greatly improve your aim and controls. Now, let's explore multiplayer options. You can join public matches or create your own game with friends. As a beginner, remember to communicate with your team and practice your aim consistently. It's key to becoming a great player. Thanks for watching. For further assistance, check out forums and guides to enhance your Counter-Strike 2 journey. Happy gaming!